The humble parking garage, structurally simple compared to most building projects, but the fact that this structure is fully exposed to the elements presents some unique challenges.
Today, we'll take a closer look at the special issues that are specific for these parking structures.
Since most parking garages utilize reinforced concrete as the primary component of the structure, the long-term, useful service life of a garage relies on two things. First, the proper design and construction of the structure. Second, the implementation of a periodic maintenance plan once the structure is in service.
For new construction, our highly qualified engineering team provides design and peer review. Plus, we have our own laboratories across the country that can design and specify the proper blend of materials to provide the most durable concrete mix.
You might assume that all concrete is the same, but the basic products that make up concrete mixes can vary from location to location across the country. We need the right blend of locally available constituent materials to create a concrete that can handle the loads and the environmental effects.
Another challenge in maintaining parking garages is the fact that they're typically not enclosed by a cladding system. This means that the structure is not protected from the environment. And it also has to take heavy loads from vehicles, which can result in its own type of wearing issues.
A parking garage is constantly exposed to rainwater, wide temperature swings, and in cooler locations, to snow, ice, and corrosive de-icing chemicals. Regular maintenance is crucial to minimizing premature deterioration that can lead to expensive repairs, inconvenience, and safety issues. For existing parking garages, our teams can provide maintenance inspections that will give a general overview of current conditions. With that in hand, we can formulate a plan for ongoing maintenance. We can also provide an in-depth condition assessment to gauge the extent of the deterioration. If deterioration exists, we'll determine the causes and prepare plans and specifications for repair.
With proper design, construction, and maintenance of a parking garage, we can help you reduce the long-term cost, and you'll have a safer structure.
Our services protect facility users by informing owners and property managers of the risks that come with unsafe conditions that can exist in poorly maintained structures.
To maximize the return on your parking garage investment, talk to a specialist at Terracon.
For any project, big or small, routine or complex, Terracon is ready to help. Responsive, resourceful, reliable.